So welcome to the session. We will discuss function and pass keyword. Okay. We'll see function and pass keyword. Function we are going to write with a keyword def for the definition, and then function one. Okay. Colon means body. Okay. So body has been given, but body is empty. Error will come if you run the program. Okay. See what kind of error. Syntax error. Unexpected end of file while parsing. So without body, if you have defined the function, it will not work in Python. So what to do if you don't want to write anything inside the body? So just write pass. Now there is no error. It will pass, right? Suppose you define one function def function 2. Okay. And here you write x equals 100 and then print x. Okay. And after printing, you must call the function to get the result. Okay, now run it. You can get 100. If you will not write here pass, then you will get syntax error. Syntax error will prompt means compile time error. It will not go to the interpreter and you will not get the result. Okay, so this is compile time error. Indentation expected an indented block. Function is there but block is not defined. Block is there but that is empty. So to get rid of this indentation error, just write the keyword pass and run. Now you will be getting the answer 100. So pass keyword is very important. Okay, and if you want to see def and pass really are they keyword, so we can check import keyword and then print keyword dot kw list keyword list and run this. You will be getting, see what was there, def is there, see def is there, def. And what about pass? See pass is there. Thank you for watching.